In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly transition your financial data from QuickBooks to Xero by exporting your lists and importing them seamlessly. This process ensures that your financial records remain consistent and accurate across both platforms, saving you time and potential headaches down the line. Let's start by diving into QuickBooks. First, you'll want to export your customer, vendor, and transaction lists as CSV files. Open QuickBooks and navigate to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. You'll find various categories, but focus on the Sales and Customers and Expenses and Vendors sections for our purposes today. Select your customer list report to view your customer's current data. From the report, look for the option that says Export, typically located at the top or right-hand corner, and choose the CSV format. This format is ideal because it's widely compatible with various accounting and spreadsheet applications, including Xero. Repeat this process for your vendors by returning to the Reports area and selecting the vendor list report under Expenses and Vendors. Lastly, gather your transaction list. This may be found under Transactions Report, so look in the Reports area that fits your needs best. Like before, export these records as CSV files. Now that you've exported all necessary lists from QuickBooks, it's time to move over to Xero. Log in to your Xero account to start importing your data. Once logged in, head over to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon. From there, look for the Import option. This tool is user-friendly and designed specifically to facilitate data migration from other platforms like QuickBooks. After selecting Import, you'll be given a variety of choices based on the type of data you're bringing over. Start with the customers. Upload your customer CSV file by clicking on the Customer's Import option and selecting your file from your computer. Xero might take a moment to process the information. You'll be prompted with mapping fields next. This is an important step. Take your time to ensure each column in your CSV file corresponds correctly with Xero's fields. This guarantees that data such as names, addresses, and contact information integrates seamlessly into the Xero system. Do the same for your vendors by selecting the Vendor Import option and upload your vendor file. As before, ensure all fields match up correctly. Lastly, import your transaction list. This may take a bit longer depending on the volume of your transactions. Make sure every transaction record is aligned properly with Xero's format. And there you have it. With all the data securely transferred to Xero, double-check a few entries to confirm everything is in order. By following these steps, you've successfully bridged QuickBooks and Xero, keeping your business financial